GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. An ACDelco GM original equipment engine camshaft position sensor monitors the rotational position of the camshafts, and is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. It provides a signal to the engine control module, which compares the camshaft position with the crankshaft position to determine ignition and fuel injection timing. This original equipment engine camshaft position sensor has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Do not use aftermarket GM sensors. I first bought aftermarket cam sensors, and after installing them, found out they did not fix my code and engine light issue. So I bought genuine GM sensors, installed them, and it fixed the problem. No more engine light and running like it should. I recommend genuine GM electrical parts if you want to fix it right the first time.